tips for dorm cleaning. In this Dorm Essentials video, we cover advice on dorm cleaning. Personally, I describe myself as messy, not dirty. I'm the type of roommate that has clothes everywhere, but is able to figure out where to throw away a cup of microwavable mac and cheese once I'm done. That being said, sometimes messy can turn into dirty. That stack of papers and mail I didn't touch all semester might have a few bugs by now. If you're not already the type to ritually clean every week or month, it might be hard to schedule in time between classes, clubs, extracurriculars, social life, and sleep to really take a crack at your living space. Whether it's to clean up for a good study environment, or because you threw a dorm party and things got sticky, below is a guide to what needs to be cleaned ASAP and what can be left until your move-out date. Trash. This is the easiest one and yet somehow the quickest to accumulate and ruin the air in the room. Make sure all drinks and food items end up in the trash rather than floating around the room, and make sure to throw that shit out once it's full. Bugs have the most heightened sense of smell, and once they find where your empty beer cans are, they will turn that into their favorite frat house where they will hang out every day and procreate more than you get laid. What we recommend: mesh trash can, Febreze trash bags. Bedding. I grew up in a home where we took our shoes off at the door, and when I went to college and lived in a small two-person room, it wasn't practical to have a space at our 3-foot entrance to leave shoes. Even though I've never brought shoes up onto my bedding, I've noticed that the dorms, apartments, and houses in which I keep my shoes on, the sheets need to be changed faster. Everyone's different. Some of us get night sweats, and others get laid as much as the flies floating over the trash. Ideally, you're stripping the bed. I know the fitted sheet is the devil's creation, at least once a month, maybe every 2. What we recommend: multiple sheets, mattress protector. Surfaces. In theory, you can leave surfaces that are higher towards the ceiling and untouched alone all semester if you wanted. But for those that are within your eye line, just invest in a Swiffer and run that over surfaces to pick up dust, dead skin cells that found a resting place. While the Swiffer company does not sponsor me, I will say they are one of the most fun cleaning tools I've ever used, and after one swipe, I guarantee you'll agree. What we recommend: wet Swiffer pads, Lysol wipes, baseboards, and crevices. If you're just living in your dorm room for a year, you can probably skip the deep cleaning of running down baseboards and cracks in the wall. I'd only really check these out if there's clearly an ecosystem of dirt around it. For example, if you spill your 7 to 11 Slurpee on the ground, wipe up where splashback could have landed, or else the ants will surely find it. Conversely, if you see ants coming out of one hole in your room, you might want to take action before they find your other stashes of food. Otherwise, you can leave this to the end-of-year cleaners who douse the rooms with bleach and call it a day. Storage. A lot of cleaning is in fact reorganizing. Using dorm storage solutions will help you feel like you have more space and remove clutter from the dorm room. With an idea of what to clean in mind, the last step is to try to plan and keep to a cleaning schedule like this image. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video and want more stuff on college life, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.